Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Jonathan, and Stefy is somewhere in the house. We'll bring her back on the vlog soon, but we wanted to give you guys an update. Our bathroom, the water pressure is absolutely terrible. Terrible. So I was watching a YouTube video, and I think I could fix our bathroom water pressure for the sinks. It's like literally water dripping, and I can't really use it that well. So take a look at the before and see if I could fix it here. I'm not a plumber, but like, come on, look at this water pressure. It's like barely anything. And this one too is pretty bad. I mean, it's better, but it's not the best. So I was watching a video, and basically you can unscrew this and there's stuff that builds up in there. So let's give it a shot. These channel locks here. Twist it. I think I'm going the right way. Okay, I figured it out, guys. It was backwards because it's upside down. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this, guys. The build-up. Oh, this color in this bathroom is really bad. Hold on. See if I can focus. Okay, that's kind of better, right? It's like literally clogged. All right, here's Stefy to the vlog. Welcome to the channel. Look at, let's see your reaction. Look at, I unscrewed that. Look what. Oh
my God, because that's disgusting.
Oh, babe, there's no filter on. Don't do that.
That's gross.
Right?
No wonder.
Oh, there's hair and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that out, and then I'm gonna unscrew yours, and then
do the same.
Yeah. And then I'm a certified mechanic, or not mechanic, plumber. Sorry, a plumber. So a little better, but not great at all. Actually, really, guys. Jeez, this is terrible.
I think we need new ones.
This is.
Because it's like in the between.
Yeah. I think it's just. I don't know. I'm gonna try to take it apart again and see, but that should have worked. This is Stefy's side. Watch this. So I'm gonna rinse it all out. Look how much stuff comes out. Oh! It's like sand, calcium, it's like green parts in there. Alright, we fixed Stefy's. That's like a little bit better. Sounds better. It's more, a little bit more powerful. But even when you do a second nozzle, it doesn't get better. Usually, like, you do one, you do another, it gets faster. This one, it's like it's always the same speed. So, that's no filter. That's how it should be. Okay, mine's a little bit better now. That we'll have to do until we upgrade these. But that's a lot better. Woo! Now I can brush my teeth with a little bit of speed. Alright guys, well that concludes my plumbing experience. Not certified or licensed or anything, that's just my unofficial way. So I hope you guys clean your sinks while you're quarantined. Another activity to do. So yeah, be sure to like this video if you thought it was helpful. Comment down below if your sinks are clogged as well. So just let us know. Stefy, say goodbye to the vlog. We gotta go to work later.